Welcome back to another video, and today we got a CodeCombat video. Now before I get into it, you know what to do, okay? Subscribe and make sure that you like, comment, and also share the video, but help us get to 1,000 subscribers by helping and by going down below, hitting that subscribe button. And after that, you be getting all the technology videos and actually getting more knowledge, not only in technology but also in codes and learning about different coding languages that's out there. So let's get into it. So we're gonna be doing a level called Forest Fire Dancing, and for this one, it's kind of different. It sounds different, okay? It doesn't sound like we're fighting anybody. It sounds like we have to dodge fire. So right here the goal is to avoid the fireballs technically, so we're just dancing around the fireball so we don't die. You already know, okay? So let's get into it. So right now we have all the codes. They already put need to put in there, so we're going to just start right now. We're probably just going to put in where we want the actual hero to move. So you can see the X's right here, so we're gonna try to make him move to each X separately. So we're gonna do that right now. So let's have him move like 4622 right here, okay? So right here, where the arrow is pointing, the first arrow is pointing, we're gonna put in hero dot move capital XY, and then after that we're gonna put in parentheses, and this is when you put in the actual coordinates and you put in the X and Y numbers, okay? So we're gonna put in 4622, and then we're gonna close it off. So that's gonna execute that line of code, make him move to the right, and then after that, if he execute that line of code, we want him to run back, okay? We want him to run back to the middle, or do we want him to run to the end? So we're going to just make him run all the way to the left. Okay, so we're going to make him run to the left. So we're going to have him go hero.move X, Y. And you got to capitalize the X and Y for it to actually work. And we're going to put in 3422 and close it off. So he's going to run to the right. Then he's going to dodge to the left. And now he's going to go and run to the middle. Okay, so then we're going to have him just go and move to the middle. So we're going to put in, nope, that's not how you type it in. Okay, I'm just, my head, okay? My head is just, it just know all these codes, and I'm trying to help you out by just putting these lines of codes in there, but it just doesn't want me to, So let me get back to the point, okay? So we're gonna put in the coordinates for the middle one. So for the middle one, we're gonna put in 40, and then we're gonna put in 22. Now, when you when you close off the parentheses for these numbers, right, and as you read it, you can tell on the left that we have the while true function executes the line of code and does a loop, right? And from right here, it said evil stone equals hero.find nearest item. So that means he's going to grab the nearest item, okay? So after that, it's going to put in another line of code, if statement. The if statement is if evil stone means position equals evil stone dot position, right? If the position is X or equals 34, right? And okay, for here right here, it said hashtag equal means is equals 2, right? So if we go down lower, then it said if the evil stone is on the left, go to the right side. So we're gonna have a hero move to the right side first, and then after past that, we're gonna make our hero move to the left. If the evil stone is on the right side, move to the left. Now after we do that, if there isn't no evil stone, move to the middle. So all this is just it fluctuates within each other. So you got the while true function, you're gonna run this again and again, right? Then you got the evil stone variable, and you got this right here to where it's gonna find the nearest evil stone. Then after that, you got the if statement for the evil stone. After you got that, you're gonna put in the position, and then you do the yada yada yada, put in the coordinates for the hero, and then it should run and you should complete the goal. Let's see. See, he runs to the right, he runs in the middle, and the thing is that he keeps seeing the evil stone on the right. He keeps seeing the evil stone on the right. Look. See, he sees on the left, he sees on the left, so he moves right. He sees on the left, he moves right. He sees on the left, he moves right. And the thing is because for the if statement, for the if evil stone, right, and it's telling you like, okay, if the evil stone's on the left side, you need to move right. So no, like the evil stone is just randomized technically, and whatever position it is going to be in the left or right. And the thing about it is that since we have the hero dot find nearest item, he's going to move right or left, or he's going to move away from that actual evil stone. So that's all I got for you guys. Make sure that you stay tuned for more videos like this, and make sure that you stay tuned for our next technology video so you can gain more knowledge on the technology that's around you and technology that you didn't even know that was going to come out. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.